integer set is denoted by this symbol and it contains an element 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 up to infinity. Okay. Now, a number p is p greater than 1 is said to be prime if it has no divisors d such that for 1 less than d less than p, that is it has no divisors for d for 1 less than d less than p. For example, if we take p is equal to 5, then p is a 5 is a prime because it has no divisors for 1 less than d less than 5, but 6 is not prime because it has a divisors 1 less than 2 less than 6, or one more divisors 1 less than 3 less than 6. There is one more definition. You can say that a positive integer or natural number, you can say that a natural number is called prime if it has exactly two factors, if it has exactly two factors, one exactly two factors that is 1 and the number itself. For example, 5 is prime because it has exactly two factors, that is 1 and number 5 itself, but say 8 is not prime because it has 1, 2, 4, 8, 5 4 factors, and therefore 8 is not prime number. A number which is not prime is called composite number. And therefore here number 6, 8, 9, they are all composite number, and there is only one even prime number, that is only one even number, that is 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd, that is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, they are all odd prime. Now we are going to, by using Python, we are going to check whether given integer, positive integer, is prime or not. So for that, please enter your integer. So n is equal to, say, input, enter your integer, enter positive integer to integer, enter your positive integer, say n. Okay. Now if, say, take one flag is equal to 0. Now if for I in range 2 to n, okay, 2 to n, if n percent I equal to 0, then flag is equal to 1, other else flag is what? Flag is 0. Now if flag is equal to 1, then print the given integer is prime integer, else print else the given integer is not prime, it is what? Composite integer. you can say here not prime, or you can print it as a composite integer. So now, so if you run this, please enter your positive integer, say 5, then it is what? Composite integer. There is one mistake. If flag is equal to 1, then it is prime integer. So there is one error. Now here you can observe I is missing integer. Now if flag is 1 means what? It has a divisors for 1 less than d less than p or n. So here we want to interchange this, Ctrl X, we want to paste here, and Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Now you can see here, if it has no divisors for 1 less than d less than p, then your flag remains 0. Otherwise, if it has divisors, then value of flag is equal to 1. So if flag is equal to 1, then it is a composite integer. Otherwise, it is what? Prime integer. We clear, and if we run one more time, say, and now if you enter here, it say 5, then you can observe it is what? Prime integer. If you run one more times, and this time if you enter say 4, then it is what? Composite integer. If you run one more times, say it is what? 11, then you will get prime integer. If you take one more time, say 20, it is what? Composite integer. Thank you.